Hi, welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Hi, doing great. Thanks. How are you?
Fine. I need to confess that I am guilty with this word.
Oh,
Hubo. Have you heard about Hubo?
Ugo? Like
Hubo.
juice?
No,
Oh,
Hubo.
Ubo.
Hubo.
I thought you were saying another. Okay, yes.
Yeah,
Um, yeah.
it sounds like Hugo. Hugo with G. It's
Uh-huh.
it's Hugo. It's a
It's a
name of a
homonym.
guy. No, but this is
Okay.
Hubo with a B. Hubo. And we don't pronounce, let me repeat it here. We don't pronounce the H, right? No, it's not hubo, it's ubo, like it
Ubo.
doesn't exist, okay?
Uh-huh. Mhm.
So ubo means there was or there were in the past, specifically in the preterit tense or preterito, used
Mhm.
for complicated, completed, complicated, yeah, a little bit complicated.
I mean, it could be. Yeah.
Yeah, in the past it's always complicated. Completed actions. So, okay, it's used to talk about things that existed or happened at a specific point in the past. It's
Okay.
impersonal. This is the wonderful news. We can say, pew, the fireworks, pew, yay, a party. Because as just like I is in the present, it's like there
Mm.
is, there are. So it does not change for singular or plural or feminine or masculine, nothing. That's
I love
super
it.
cool. For
Love to hear
example,
it. Love to hear it.
yes, for example, hubo un accidente en la calle. So we don't think about if it's masculine or feminine. We just say hubo, okay?
Hubo.
hmm
Hubo
And
un
then
accidente en la calle. Ajá.
in this case, it's accidente, it's masculine, and we don't care. Then it says, hubo muchas personas en la fiesta.
Hubo. Yeah.
So muchas, it's plural. En personas,
Muchas
it's feminine.
personas.
And
And
we don't
hubo.
care.
Yes.
Yay! And then this is a question. ¿Hubo clases ayer? And this is um, plural, feminine, and it's a question, and we don't care. It's hubo.
Hubo. Ajá.
And then it's negative. No hubo electricidad anoche. Electricidad is uncountable, right? And this is negative. And we don't care. It's hubo. Everything is hubo. So I need to confess something. I used to
Mm.
say in plural, hubieron. And that's a no, no, no.
Oh,
Hubieron, it's the verb haber.
Haber.
Mhm. But it's
Yeah,
an
that sounds
like an
familiar, but I can't remember.
mhm. But it's a verb conjugated. But so it's a no no. I shouldn't do
Oh.
that and I did it for years. Yeah. So now every time that I said something about that existed in the past, I need to think and be very careful because I did it for more than 20 years. So it's horrible. But okay, think alive. I am not doing that anymore. Okay, so for example, if hubo muchos errores.
Okay.
Okay, so if it's plural, feminine, singular, anything, it's just hubo.
Hubo. I love it.
Yeah, hubo y hay, amazing. They impersonal and they don't change for number or gender, so anything. It's amazing, and we love hubo. So
Perfect.
yeah, what do you think?
I really like it because it's simple. It's not complicated by gender. Yeah. Hubo. That brings a whole new tense into my speaking. I can
Mhm.
describe things that have finished happening in the past.
Yeah, for example, hubo limonada en tu fiesta.
Sí. Yeah, and now it's all gone.
Yeah, and
Se acabó.
sí, finito. Hubo muchos niños en tu fiesta.
Sí,
Ya, hubo felicidad en tu fiesta.
sí. Oh,
Everything hubo, you know? So we don't need to think about more. Everything was there.
yay. Oh,
Yay!
thank you.
So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye.